Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Located on Thetford Avenue, Kingston 20, is this rare corner lot gem, which is a wonderful investment opportunity. Whether you are a developer, someone looking for a property with good rental income, or looking for a unique family home, this is the one for you. This grand house has been converted into 6 independent units, two one-bedroom, two two-bedroom, one three-bedroom, and a standalone unit, totaling 10 bedrooms and 9 bathrooms. Each unit has its own meter. The ample green yard space of 9,817 square feet has fruit trees such as mango, breadfruit, sweetsop, banana, and lychee. The over 5,000 square feet house truly allows for very spacious bedrooms and living areas. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. asking price for this house is Jamaican 76 million or US $493,700. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.